Wow. Now that's cool. All right, so I'm gonna play with the back window in this truck a little bit today. Show you a demonstration of how quickly this can be done on the fly and what all it takes. So we start by lowering the seats and the headrests. We open this clip, and it falls forward and catches on this latch right here. You press that latch up, release the window, then you can put it down here for storage. That locks into place. You have these 2 additional locks as well. Now what I haven't done yet is actually folded down the midgate, and I want to see how that goes. It looks like it is as simple as that. All the way to the truck bed, got my folding chairs. That was super easy. Now to put this all back, let's see what this takes. I'll pull these seat belts out now. That way they don't get stuck back there. This one as well. And that's how you operate the rear window in the midgate.